Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your Honor 8X Max. To do that, open our calendar application. In it, tap on day when we want add our event, maybe 24, and there this plus icon. First step, we can add title of our event. I change my keyboard for English. And we can add our title. There we can add location of that, where event will be. There we can set when event starts and finish and which time in this day, or we can set it will be all day event. There we can add reminder to this, and you can add more than one and you can customize it. In this part you can add this event to your group on Gmail. About what is it? About your phone, about your birthday, friends, or something like that, about your home. Description to that, and repeat if we need it. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press this icon to save it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.